Hello my people, in this video we will see SWAGBUCKS earn money in Malayalam. SWAGBUCKS is a legitimate rewards program that allows you to earn extra money online from home by completing simply everyday tasks. You earn rewards in the form of points called SB. Every 100 SB points equals $1. Ways to earn money on SWAGBUCKS. Paid surveys. Share your opinion on products and services to earn high-paying SB points. Play games, download mobile games, or join daily trivia games via SWAGBUCKS daily trivia to earn points. Online shopping. Earn cashback in the form of SB when you shop online through the SWAGBUCKS official site. Watch videos. Get points for watching short video clips, entertainment news, and advertisement. Search the web. Use the SWAGBUCKS search engine instead of Google to earn random point drops. How to get payout method. Once you accumulate enough SB points, you can redeem them for real money through one page PayPal Cash, 2 gift cards. PayPal Cash transfer your earning directly to your bank account by a linked PayPal account. Gift card exchange your point for gift card from major retailers like Amazon, Walmart, Target, or Starbucks. How to get started? Beside the SWAGBUCKS sign out page and create a free account using your email. Complete your initial profile survey to unlock a welcome bonus and match with relevant offers. You can learn the step-by-step process in the introductory video titled SWAGBUCKS tutorials for beginners, how to make money. Video URL youtube.com. And that's all. If you liked the video and especially if it helped you, please leave a like, subscribe and share with your friends. Until next time.